From now on, you'll always put 2 sponges in your washing machine. Say goodbye to bad odors and mold, and your machine will feel like new. The most common cause of unpleasant laundry smells is a dirty detergent drawer. Even if it's not visible, mold can develop there due to moisture. Keep your washing machine spotless with this sponge trick. Take 2 brand new unused dish sponges. Tear off the rough side of one sponge and place it in the detergent drawer. Do the same with the second sponge. Then, soak the sponges generously in vinegar. Close the drawer and wait about 10 minutes before running a short wash cycle. During the cycle, the vinegar gradually rinses out from the sponge, evenly cleaning the detergent drawer while the machine works. Once the cycle is done, open the drawer and you'll be amazed at the result. The detergent drawer will be perfectly clean. No residue, grime, or mold. With regular use of this trick, your washing machine will stay cleaner and your laundry will smell fresher. It's a simple way to maintain your appliance and avoid expensive repairs in the future.